and Pakistan, zero official trade. Borders got closed and treaty got suspended. And yet $10 billion worth of Indian goods travel to Pakistan every single year. According to the official reports, the trade between India and Pakistan are nearly zero. India exports less than $500 million to Pakistan and Pakistan exports to India are almost nothing. And here's the real number. According to GTRI, India's top trade research body, $10 billion worth of Indian goods reach Pakistan every single year through third countries, Dubai, Singapore and Colombo. The Indian goods go there first and then labels get changed and documents were rewritten and then they enter Pakistan as UAE goods. And Pakistani buyers pay 15 to 25% more for these goods. And the reason is their own government's fault. But trade is not India's only weapon. There's a 65-year-old treaty called Indus Water Treaty, which was signed in 1960. This gave Pakistan rights over three major rivers. 80% of water which Pakistan uses now come from rivers which originate in India. After Pahalgam in 2025, India suspended this treaty. First time in 65 years. Pakistani army chiefs also threatened us, saying that they'll bomb the dams. But India kept on building. Pakistan has 160 nuclear warheads and threatened to use them against India. And we didn't blink because Pakistan is now in $130 billion debt and foreign exchange reserves barely covers 1.5 months for their imports. They need more Indian goods than they will ever admit. That's India and Pakistan. No trade, no treaty and no trust. And yet every single day, every Pakistani is eating food, taking medicines and using products that came from India through Dubai, through Singapore, through backdoor. Because geography doesn't care about politics. Next in Bharat Beyond Borders, we'll talk about India and UAE. India's gateway to the Gulf. 3.5 million Indian people live there. And it's the same country that Pakistan uses secretly to buy Indian goods. Please follow so you don't miss it. Jai Hind.